Steven Spielberg, in a new interview for Jaws at 50, recounts the intense toll of directing Jaws. The grueling production left him feeling so traumatized he thought he was having a heart attack. Spielberg's ordeal highlights the extreme pressures of filmmaking during that era. The interview delves into the behind-the-scenes struggles of making the iconic film. The 78-year-old filmmaker will share his experiences in a National Geographic special. The special, airing next month, offers a unique insight into the making of Jaws. This marks a powerful look back at the iconic film's creation.